Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the shopping cart from your Godaddy website builder. If you've decided that you no longer need e-commerce functionality on your site, or you're simply looking to streamline your pages, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to godaddy.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your account. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your GoDaddy dashboard, which is your main control center for managing all your GoDaddy services. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Website. This option takes you directly to the management area for your website builder projects. You'll now be on your website overview page, which displays key information about your site's status and performance. On this page, locate the Edit Site button, which should be positioned on the right side of your screen. This button is your gateway to making any changes to your website's design and structure. Go ahead and click on it to open your website editor. Now, here's the important part. To remove the shopping cart on your GoDaddy website, you need to understand that this feature is directly tied to your shop or store page. The shopping cart functionality cannot exist without the shop page itself, so removing the cart means removing the entire shop page. Click on Website in the top right part of your screen. This will display a list of all the pages currently published on your website, giving you an overview of your site's structure. From this list, locate and click on Shop. This is the page that houses all your e-commerce features, including the shopping cart. To proceed with removing the shopping cart, you'll need to delete this page entirely. Click on the gear icon next to Shop, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing this page. From the options presented, click on Delete Page. This action will remove the shop page and consequently the shopping cart functionality from your website. And there you have it. By deleting the shop page, you've successfully removed the shopping cart from your GoDaddy website builder. Your site will now function without any e-commerce features, giving you a simpler, more streamlined online presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.